What's up, friends? Happy Merry New Year. Actually, it is, funny enough, I said that it is almost just about African New Year, spring. Getting onto that whole topic, it's like very early in the morning, but yeah, I find the early hours of the morning when I get a bit of insomnia is some of the most productive times for me to work. Anyway, so yeah, talking about that previous video that I did about the isiZulu children's literature, and I got some awesome response. So this is something that I've just now put together in the early hours of the morning, and I'm going to flash some stuff up on the screen and you all can check. But we are working on a little book at the moment. I'm doing something which is just getting small kids accustomed to and like a basic understanding of time, like a concept of time, hours, seconds, minutes, the months of the year, and I'm trying to kind of relate it in a very South African sense. So I've done quite a bit of research on us using the Julian Gregorian calendar and how that relates to the pretty much the isiZulu calendar and more kind of South Africanisms in this, and to give kids more of a deeper insight and knowledge to kind of the seasons of the year, the months, how to count how many days there are to the months. There was one which I've included in this little book, which is where you count in the knuckles. I learned this one from my mom and my dad when I was growing up. They showed me how to count, 31 days, 30 days. And then also just explaining the basic concepts of what a leap year is, how that comes about, time, seconds, minutes, just putting it all into quantities so kids can also have a bit of a better understanding. So I am going to be rolling this one out hopefully later in the week, maybe towards the weekend, just on the digital, kind of like just a research test purposes. So if anyone wants to kind of maybe just pick up a copy, there's obviously going to be copyright disclaimers and everything because it is in pre-publication phases, and it will still be going through further translation, edits and whatnot in the coming week. But there's also the illustrations and everything are far from complete. We've got a lot of work to do on it, but I wanted to get the kind of concept out there and get a feel for how it's taken. So if any of you have got little ones that might appreciate just the time to squiz through it, I can pop you a PDF. I'll put it up on one of my websites, and yeah, just wanting to do some research and get some feedback, because yeah, I'm going to be rolling this one out into print possibly in September sometime, depending on how well it's received. So anyways, this is my concept. Hope you guys like it or dig. It's something new, it's just kind of like my style. But yeah, cool. Peace, we'll touch base later, and yeah, all the best, positivity, creativity, and abundance and blessings of the week. Peace, y'all.